Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit view only or comment only file on Google Sheets mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my view only file. As you can see, here is the view only file, so we can't edit this Google Sheets file since this file is in view only mode. But don't worry guys, because we can still edit this view only file. If we want to edit this file, we have to make a copy of this file in our Google Drive. First of all, you can click on these three dots and you are going to select share and export, and here you can click on make a copy. And before you copy this document to your Google Drive, you can change the document title. I'm going to change it guys, and once you're done naming the document, you can click on OK, and now the file is being copied to my Google Drive. Okay, now it's done. And after we have copied this document or this file, we will be able to edit it. For example, I'm going to enter text. All right. And if you want to edit the comment only file, the step is the same. The tutorial is same. So you just need to make a copy of the comment only file in your Google Drive. Then you will be able to edit the comment only file. And alright guys, that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.